Hi guys, it's us again. You heard for the company Max Fuchs, and now here is the man, himself in person. It is honor to meet you. You're very popular. Your company is very popular in Srbija, and we decided to visit you and your company and to show viewers all across of Europe and also in Serbia what is Max Fuchs company, what are their ideas and everything. So tell us.
I'm happy you are here. Thank you for visiting us. So we are here on an IWA show, and we are on an IWA about, I don't know exactly, but minimum 25 years. Our company is made, well, it's established in 1981, so we are this year 35 years old. I started in a very small retail shop, down 12 square meters in the house of my parents. I sell surplus goods, we sell a little bit new items, but very quick. At this time
You started from zero.
I started from zero.
And now you're a hero.
I was a soldier before.
Yes, in Bundeswehr.
Bundeswehr, yeah. Before I was a cook and a waiter. I learned it. But I stopped it also. And as an army, it was a little bit boring, so I have nothing to do. I was in a casino all the nights. So I said I have to do something and I need money, so I started a small business. Retail.
And you have a wholesale.
After a while, I say, okay, it cannot be all. Just to have a small retail shop, you have not enough to eat. We are on the countryside. You will see tomorrow when you come in my company.
I was a couple of times in your company.
You come to Simba?
Yes.
Yeah. And you know, Freiung is bigger, but where I have my first shop was Hinterschmieding. Hinterschmieding is a town with 800 people live there, and I'm 2 kilometers outside, direct on the countryside. So just, I have many deers and foxes and some other animals there, but no people. That was the problem. For this reason, I tried to start a wholesale. My first lot was I buy some cheap items, socks and underwear, it was the cheapest from Sebek, from the German army, on an auction. So it was a kilo, few cents, or pennies.
And you start reselling and building.
Import.
And now you're still building. A little bit slower, but you're building.
Yeah. First time we import from Taiwan, then from US, and from South Korea, and now we are since 1988. I'm importing to China. First, just what I can find. Now we bring our own samples, we bring our own designs to them, and show them the fabric, what we need exactly.
They are producing.
And we make quality control over there. And now we have about 5,000 different items in imported goods, and another 5,000 items in the surplus business. Mostly it's from German, British Army stuff, but also we buy from Serbia, we buy from everywhere.
Yes. In Serbia, the very popular stuff is British MTP and DPM uniforms from your company, and it's coming almost to the point where all the people are wearing or DPM or MTP.
No, it is also what I see now. It's always more. Platon, for example, buy many of the imported goods. He says it's better in sizes, and also the imported quality. It's nearly the same, even it's higher than the Croatian army quality. This uniform, this product have a really high standard. It's not the cheap things what you can find 20 years ago, or what you can find sometimes here on the Chinese market or Vietnamese market, whereas you sell the cheap things. If you see my T-shirts, I think it's a high-class T-shirt. You can wash it. You can wash it 100 times, and it has the same shape. It goes not around. They're like some cheap items, and also color fastness.
Also, the price is popular.
The price is okay. I think
it's not cheap.
We are not the cheapest one, but we have I think we have the highest quality in the military business. Most of the surplus with some higher quality companies, but if I must pay in a shop more than 100 euro, it's a little bit difficult, especially in your country.
Yes.
I know the people is not so rich, maybe a few, but common. Have just the money for a regular, but I think for the price what we ask for, it is a good standard and a very high level.
Yes. Also, I noticed that you have in your offer ex-Yugoslavia equipment.
Yeah.
Yes, and I know a couple of people that have met you in the warehouses where you are choosing and buying.
Yeah, it was a funny story. At this time I was in, I don't remember exactly the name of the small village outside 200 kilometers south from Belgrade in a scrapyard. And
Niche maybe.
no, it was not Niche, it was between Niche and Belgrade.
Baracin.
Yeah. And this guy's looking for some radios.
Yes, and we say hello to those guys. They're our friends, Zhuya, Zmai, and others. We know those guys because they tell us, hey, we met Max Fuchs.
Yeah, I give him my name card and he says,
Yeah.
where you are? I said, yeah, you see, it's Max Fuchs. And you? I'm Max Fuchs. Ah, Max Fuchs himself. It was a fun story.
No, I'm the clone. No, I'm the clone.
No, it was good, and so we buy a lot of goods at this time. Now it's a little bit difficult. So
A lot of motorcyclists in Serbia wear British police jackets because of the color, because you can easily spot them on the road.
and
It's very
and
safe.
I buy also many motorcycles this time. So Moto Guzzi,
Moto
Falcone,
Guzzi, yes.
and one I still use now. I bought it 3 years ago. We make a renovation a little bit, not outside, just the engine, so new oil.
You're talking about Serbian.
Serbian, yeah,
Yes,
from
military police.
Military police,
Yes.
motorcycle,
Yes,
a
I know.
Falcone, and I drive it in the summertime nearly every day. So I go when I go to lunch, I drive. So I have my car in the office and just go with the shirt, go to the lunch with the motorcycle. Everybody's looking and say, oh, it's a nice motorcycle.
Yes.
And it was, I think it wasn't 30 years old, and it have.
It's 30, yes, they are 1980 some, yes, yes. The
30,
military
35 years
police
old.
use them,
Yep.
and also I think escorts for President Tito. I think they have some feature that the gas is always 5 kilometers, and you don't have to give a gas that it's always going straight because of the slow movement of the car, yes. And they're very good motorcycles.
Yeah, and when I buy it, it was just 68 kilometers old.
Yeah.
It was really brand new, so never used.
Maybe next time when you go in that warehouse, you can take us, because we don't have opportunity to see that stuff in a sales in Serbia. They always sell some broken stuff.
Yeah, I've been also in this warehouse. It's in the middle, central of Belgrade. It's one
Rakovica. Yes, it's a scrapyard.
Scrapyard,
It's
yeah.
not a.
But it's sold from the army.
Yes, yes.
From the army, and you can go there and you won't buy that, but it was not interesting. So we are wholesale. I have to
They're
make
selling.
some profit.
They're selling rubber boats which are cut
Cut
in the pieces, and they are.
But generally
Unusable.
speaking, this is many good items was there. Now I think it's finished. It's not so many left. But we find from other armies, so most what I buy is British
Okay,
anymore.
show us something interesting, something new. We talked about those.
Those.
We can show it to our audience in Europe and Serbia. Those meal ready to eat
MAE.
for military, civilian, emergency. I don't know what is this word. Preparedness.
I also don't know what this is and what this means.
I tried this stuff, and it's very tasty. And you explain me that now in your preparedness, yes.
Being ready, preparedness.
You explain me that for now you can only offer
So vegetable.
vegetarian meals because of all the permits that are needed for Germany and other countries, and you decided only, and you like animals also.
Okay.
No meat.
No, I will sell also the products with meat, but at the moment it's not a big problem to import it.
This is chili with beans. I didn't try chili, but I tried something else. It's
We have a
very
pasta.
tasty.
This is the pasta, and this is tortellini, cheese tortellini.
Cheese tortellini with marinara sauce. My Italian is good also. Andiamo ragazzi. It's nice.
Yes, the food and also the things. For example, when you see our energy drink, it's a 9mm, it's over there.
Yes.
It is also very popular. We produce it.
It's your production. Your brand.
It's not my brand, but we produce it with
Europe.
our name, with our logo on it for Europe. We made it for Germany. It's a little bit difficult here you need some special things with a mark on it that you can return it to the machines.
Yes.
In Germany.
For recycling.
For recycling, so you need two different kinds, one for Germany and one for outside of
Yes.
Germany.
I think that there is this brand in Serbia.
It comes from me, maybe.
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably.
I
It
will
looks
say-
nice. It's very interesting design. Maybe you can make 6 millimeter, a little bit thinner for the airsofters.
The problem is to make the cans. Now I make a reorder. He asked me for 260,000 pieces
Okay.
just to make the cans as it is. So with my own logo, I can have smaller quantities, but then I have to make a
Yes,
paper on it,
yes.
and
It's
it looks
not
not
so-
good. I think
This look very nice.
The best one you made it by
Yes.
directly printed. And also the food is very interesting for us. We make chocolate now, a muesli, energy bar.
Well, yes.
And this
Also, I saw that you now have in offer Russian digital uniforms. It's
Yeah,
something
because-
new. I didn't see it.
we made
earlier.
the pants and t-shirts, and it
Yes.
sells
The
crazy.
Flora, or but I don't know the name of the camo.
I also don't. we name it Russian camo.
Of course.
We start with marine or with the navy t-shirts and shirts. This one, and it was a so great seller. What we sell it thousands of them. So always more people ask us for the Russian camo.
I got one question for you, and there is a lot of people in Serbia who are very tall. Here is idea for us. Is it possible to make some model of the pants a little bit longer? Because when I buy for me, I'm in my waist I'm size L, but it's too short for me. You understand?
Yeah, we think about this, but it's a really big problem.
Yeah.
And you see, just from the BDU pants, we have about 20 colors. Which one we should make longer and which one we should a regular length. And
Some new model, some special model for, I don't know, special forces guy or something, because when I buy XL, for me I look like I took the bag for the beans,
Hey.
and I was walking.
no, but this is the measurements list. It's a regulation. I know for the army, all the army have different lengths also. But in a civil market, it's with the jeans you can do it. But if you have so many models, it's really a big problem. Also, you will see maybe tomorrow our warehouse how full it is. If you need for each another number, another space to pick it. And now we have about 15,000 racks to pick the goods. If I do it with different lengths, then I go crazy.
And maybe solution is when they're producing in China, they can like this, and if somebody needs, he can unstitch it and let it go.
This will be an idea,
It's my idea.
a good one.
It's very.
I understand why you want to do
Yes,
this.
yes. Because I heard from a lot of sides, because I have a lot of contacts, that is the only problem. There are people who are a little bit more tall and thinner, but they need to buy XXL, and it's huge.
Yeah.
And they need to go to
To make
yes,
sewing,
yes,
make it shorter. Yeah.
yes.
I will think about this. When next time in May we go to China. This is a new model that will
Colors.
come in
8X camo or
yeah, it's about we call
Scorpion.
it HDT. The name of the jacket is a Scorpion
That's the
HDT
model.
FG camo. And this jacket is a soft shell.
yes.
It's water resistant, and we made it in 5 colors, 3 unicolors, black, OD, and Coyote.
I have a couple of
And
your
two-
jackets. There is
and
one.
2 camo.
Yes, this I bought 3 or 4 years ago.
I hope
Or
you are.
maybe- Yes,
I hope you like it.
yes. The only problem I had it, but it's 4 years old now or 5. I broke this. Everything others is working with no problem. It's I wear it on the rain, and also I have Australia model.
Hmm.
Yes, in 10 color, and it's also little bit Yes, Australia. Yes, it's a little bit different design. In design, it's a little bit
Tight.
tight. Yes.
For you?
For me.
But we don't have a bigger size. I think it goes up to 3XL.
Yes, but it's good in the arms and everything, but up is a little bit, or maybe I eat too much. I don't know.
Or you make too much
Yes.
exercising.
No
Can be also-
exercising. No exercising yet. But I'm planning. I'm still planning to do some exercise.
You sell it like crazy. This is a function life. You have
Yes, you have flashlight,
you have
multi-tool,
flashlight, multi-tool,
this.
carabiner with some
And the
you
knife.
can put here.
With a can
And then,
opener and bottle opener.
Yeah.
All you need on a camping.
Normally it's to open the beer.
Beer.
Animals.
Yes, but you can open beer. Yes.
You can
Beer,
open-
deer.
Yeah.
It's almost the same.
But it's more for animals to open it. You cut not the insides. When you
Just
go with
just the
this,
skin.
that's the skin.
Uh-huh.
You open a little bit and then go on this side. It's for the hunters.
Uh-huh. That's nice.
So we think also for our items, it is useful later
Yes.
when the
Not,
people.
not just pretty,
Yeah.
that they can be used.
But this is one of the best.
Yeah.
Even we export it to US. I
Because
cannot
of the
believe
color,
it.
it's-
Why,
yeah.
no, not just all the colors. We have 5 different colors, but I don't know why the Americans not import it directly. Maybe we cannot find it, or it was a little bit our idea. I'm
Yeah.
happy.
That's nice.
So we have a big program from backpacks also.
Yes, they are also popular in Serbia. They have a very good price, and a lot of people on the street you can see on the airsoft games. Even the military are buying them because they have very good price, and they have good functionality because you can
Expand, yes.
Yes.
Mostly our best items is assault, and now the assault laser cutted.
Yeah.
When you see on a
That you presented, I think, 2 years ago. That's laser cut models.
Yeah, 1.5, 2 years
Yes,
ago. Yeah.
yes. Only.
Now we make another one. We find another fabric for outside. I don't know if it's workable in camo.
Yes, I like end user. I had, I think, a little bit smaller. I had a 3-day assault model, and the only problem I had, zippers are working nice, everything is working nice. Inside that thing that is on other side of the fabric, that rubber thing.
It is coated.
Yes.
The coating.
Yes.
You go down.
Yes.
I never heard it. Normally it's not. We have this one times, but we change it.
And
So
maybe
it's
old.
Maybe it's old.
Yes.
It was a special PU coating,
Yes.
and you change it to another fabric, and now it's much more better than before.
No,
But
there is no problem.
I have to show you one bag. It's a very function and interest. It's a little bit more expensive. We have to go on another side. I'll show
Okay,
you.
let's go.
Lead the way.
Here, this is a mission backpack. It comes from a little bit very famous brand in US, and a very expensive brand. And this is one of our high-class backpacks. It's made from nylon, Cordura. You see the label here. And it have a strong backpack, so it's not bending.
For your back.
For a real bag, yes.
Yes.
And when you see as it is, it looks like a regular backpack, but this is the same thing. And when you close it, this is the same backpack.
Inside of that backpack is
All
all those things that
all
you can see.
this thing. So this is now complete normally you have just 5 bags
Green,
inside.
green, yes. Green
So you
color.
can with
Yes.
green or this. You can buy this separately. You can put it down and attach it. And
That's very nice.
and most of it's just a new thing, and the people have always a problem, but the price is so high, but there's so many functions on it, and it's so lightweight. The nylon, it's so heavy, and it's so strong and so light
Yes.
altogether. And when you wear
It's
it,
repellent water.
Yep.
It's waterproof.
and we change it with mole stripes on the
Yes,
side,
you can
so
put-
you can use the regular pouches what we have to this, and it's a great thing.
Yes.
One time when I buy the first sample, I bring it to me to the Alps and go hiking with them, and then I find mushrooms. I fill in 20 kilos of mushroom.
with no problem.
Nope, yeah, 20 kilo cannot be a problem. But I was so happy. I have such a big
Yes.
backpack with me. Never I can find mushrooms in our area. Maybe a handful, but not 20
And
or 30
all
kilos.
of these bags, which is included inside, are from the same material.
It's the same material,
Yes.
and you can buy
Separately.
as a
Accessory.
as accessory. Yeah.
It's nice. I don't know what is the price, but it's very nice. It's probably can be very popular between airsofters because they are always carrying a lot of stuff. Oh, where is my battery? Where is my
Yeah, this is the thing.
magazine?
And then when it's open, you just put it on the floor here,
Yes.
like this, and you have everything inside.
Yes, and
So
you can
it's-
rearrange everything. It's
Yeah.
very nice. It's very convenient. Very nice. Also, your company has a large selection of the boots,
Yeah, we have
different
many
models.
different models, winter boots. But the problem is now in the moment, last 3 years, the winter is not so.
So winter.
No, not so
Winter is no
winter.
wintry.
And yeah, but it works good. And now we make 2 new models. We just started it.
See you tomorrow. We are coming in the factory to visit Max Fuchs and see everything inside.
Happy to see you.
Thank you
for coming.
See you.